What if I told you an electric car can make your heart race like a supercar? This is the Hyundai Ioniq 6N 2026, and it's not here to play safe. At first glance, the Ioniq 6N looks sleek, futuristic, and almost calm. But don't let the smooth curves fool you. Underneath, this EV is pure aggression. Every line, every curve is designed not just for looks, but for serious performance and aerodynamics. Powered by Hyundai N performance tech, the Ioniq 6N delivers explosive acceleration, advanced torque vectoring, and a driver-focused N mode that turns this sedan into a track-ready machine. 0 to 60 happens in just a few seconds. And yes, it's brutally fast. Inside, you get sporty N bucket seats, performance displays, and a cockpit designed for serious driving, not just comfort. Everything is angled toward the driver, keeping your focus exactly where it belongs, on the road. The instant torque reminds you that electric performance hits different. Hyundai has even added synthetic N sound, performance tuning, and adaptive suspension so the car actually feels alive. You don't just drive it, you feel connected to it. This isn't just an EV, it's an experience. But here's the real question. Would you choose the Ioniq 6N over a traditional petrol-powered sports car? Let me know in the comments. This is 1 Minute Auto Glimpse, where speed meets simplicity. See you in the next one.